Today we are going to learn trigonometric ratios of 45 degrees. Draw a right angle isosceles triangle. What? Right angle isosceles triangle. Why means isosceles triangle means two sides will be equal and two angles will be equal. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So if it is A, this is also A only because opposite sides, base angles. This is called right angle isosceles triangle. Now we are going to learn the values, ratios of 45 degrees. So before that, ABC is a right angled isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. You heard right angled triangle. We know that hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Out of three angles, if one angle is 90 degrees, we call it as a right angle triangle. Who told? Pythagoras theorem. This is in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. Here hypotenuse is AC. AC whole square is equal to AB square plus BC square. We don't know AC. AB is A square plus B. BC is also A, so A square. So AC square is equal to that one. Now AC square is equal to 2A square. A square plus A square is 2A square. Now we want AC. AC is equal to square root of 2A square. Now one A will come. AC is equal to, in A square A will come outside and root 2 will be inside only. So we got hypotenuse as A root 2 or root 2 into A. That also you can write. Now we will find out the ratios. Sine, cos, tan, if you know, the rest three automatic. So now sine 45 degrees. Sine 45 degrees means what? Opposite side to 45 degrees by hypotenuse. What is opposite side to 45 degrees? AB. So AB by AC. That is equal to, what is AB? A. What is AC? A root 2. A goes in A one time, so 1 by root 2. So the value of sine 45 degrees is 1 by root 2. Coming to cos 45 degrees. Cos 45 degrees. Adjacent side to 45 degrees by hypotenuse. Sir, both are 45. Anyway, if you see the same answer comes. If you write BC by hypotenuse, that all. So adjacent BC by AC. That is equal to A by A root 2. A goes in A one time. So both values are same because before only I told you base angles are equal. So sine 45 cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Keep in mind. This you have to keep in mind. Next tan. Tan 45 degrees. Tan means what? Opposite side to 45 degrees by adjacent side to 45 degrees. Opposite is for AB and adjacent is BC. AC by BC. A by A. A goes in A one time. So tan 45 is 1. If you learn these three, automatic those three also will come. What are those three remaining? Cosecant 45 degrees, secant 45 degrees and cot 45 degrees. How sir means? Just reciprocals only. Sine 45 how much you got? 1 by root 2. What is the reciprocal? Root 2 by 1 means that is root 2. Are you able to follow? Root 2. Next, cos 45 how much? 1 by root 2. Reciprocal. Root 2 by 1 means root 2. How simple you see. Next, tan 45 1. Here 1 by 1 means 1 only. Reciprocal of 1 by 1 is denominator 1 is there. 1 by 1 means 1 only. So tan 45 cot and cot 45 both values are same only, 1 only. This is the way of knowing these values. Trigonometric ratios of 30 degrees and 60 degrees. This time you draw an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle you draw. A, B, C is an equilateral triangle. What are the properties of equilateral triangle? All the three sides are equal and the three angles also will be equal. Three sides equal, three angles equal. Now, the complete trigonometry chapter depends upon right angle triangle. So, draw AD perpendicular to BC. Perpendicular means 90 degrees. So, and mark it as D. So, this will become A by 2 and this is half A by 2. This is A. Complete BC is A. Now, it became A by 2, A by 2. Now, the given equilateral triangle is made into two right angle triangles. One is ADB, another one is ADC. Any one you take. So, from right angled triangle ADB, hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Who told? Pythagoras theorem. Always you have to mention Pythagoras theorem. Because of this theorem only we are going to do this problem. In this ADB, what is hypotenuse? AB. AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square or DB square. Anything. AB how much? A. A square is equal to AD we don't know. AD square plus A by 2 whole square. Now, A square plus it is coming this side minus A square by 4 because A square 2 2s are 4 is equal to AD square. Take LCM. 4 will be the LCM. 4A square minus A square is equal to AD square. So, AD square is equal to 4A square minus A square is 3A square. 3A square by 4. Now we want only AD. So, only AD we want. AD is equal to square root of 3A square by 4. There is no square root for 3, so root 3. A square means 1A will come. And here for square root of 4 is 2. So what we got means root 3 into A by 2. AD we got as root 3 by 2A. Now, coming to the trigonometric ratios. First one, sine, take 60 degrees. Sine 60 means opposite side to 60 degrees by hypotenuse. Opposite side is AD and hypotenuse is AB. So, what is AD? Root 3 by 2 into A. And what is AB? AB is A. A goes in A one time. So, root 3 by 2. Sin 60 how much? Root 3 by 2. Now come to cos. Cos 60 degrees. Adjacent side to 60 degrees by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side? BD. BD by AB. BD how much? A by 2. Numerator. AB how much? A. Now, here A by 2 into A. A goes in A one time. How much you got means half. 1 by 2. So, therefore, cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Coming to tan. Tan 60 degrees. Opposite side to 60 degrees by adjacent side to 60 degrees. What is opposite side? AD. What is adjacent side? BD. So AD by BD. Numerator root 3 by 2a. This is numerator divided by a by 2. A by 2. Denominator get cancelled. A goes in A one time, and how much you got means root 3 you got. So tan 60 is equal to root 3. Now first 3 if you get, the next 3 automatic I told. Cosecant 60 degrees reciprocal 2 by root 3. Secant 60 degrees reciprocal of cos, half means 2 by 1 means 2. Next, cot 60 degrees reciprocal of tan 60. Here root 3 by 1 is there, so 1 by root 3 reciprocal. This is the way of finding trigonometric ratios of 60 degrees. Now I teach you 30 degrees. Now with the same figure we are going to learn 30 degrees. Sin 30 degrees is equal to opposite side to 30 degrees by hypotenuse. From this is 60. So how much is this one? 30 degrees. This is also 30. How 30? Sum of 3 angles in a triangle. 90 plus 60, 150, and here 30. Now, so this will become opposite side, this will become adjacent side, and this is hypotenuse. Opposite side is BD. BD by hypotenuse is AB. So that is equal to BD how much? A by 2 divided by hypotenuse is A. That is equal to A by 2 into A. A goes in A one time, half you got. So sin 30 degrees is equal to half. Next, cos 30 degrees. Cos 30 degrees means what? Adjacent side to 30 degrees by hypotenuse. What is the adjacent side to 30? AD. AD by, and hypotenuse is AB. So AD how much? Root 3 by 2a. This is numerator, and denominator AB is A. That is equal to root 3. This A get cancelled, and root 3 by 2 is the value of cos 30 degrees. Coming to tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees means what? Opposite side to 30 degrees by adjacent side to 30 degrees. Now 30 degrees opposite is BD and adjacent is AD. So that is equal to, now BD how much? A by 2 numerator, and AD how much? Root 3 by 2 A. You can simplify. 2 cancels, and this numerator also get cancelled. A goes in A one time. So 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. This A is numerator only. Numerator cancel. Denominator cancel. Now 3 values we got. The next 3 easy to find. Just the reciprocals. Cosecant 30 degrees. What is cosecant means? Reciprocal of sine. 1 by 2 means 2 by 1. 2 by 1 means that is 2. Next, secant 30 degrees. Secant 30 means reciprocal of cos. Root 3 by 2 means 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. Tan 30 degrees means cot 30. Reciprocal. Cot 30 means reciprocal of tan 30. How much? Root 3 by 1. Root 3 by 1 means root 3 on. Root 3 on. This is the way of finding. Trigonometric ratios of 0 degrees and 90 degrees. First one, sin 0 is equal to 0. Cos 0 degrees is equal to 1. tan 0 degrees is equal to 1 and secant 0 degrees is equal to 1. There is one remark. What is that remark means? Cosecant 0 degrees and cot 0 degrees are not defined, undefined, infinity. Next, second one, sin 90 is equal to 1, cos 90 0 and cosecant 90 is 1, cot 90 is degrees is equal to 0. Here also another remark, secant 90 degrees and tan 90 degrees are not defined, undefined, infinity. So keep this in your mind and do the problems. Now we are going to learn table for trigonometric ratios of standard angles. Just now I showed and proved how we got. In a tabular form I will teach you, which you can remember easily. Sequence I told you, sin, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. Are you able to follow? 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. Standard angles. How to remember? Easy method I teach you. When you join in the school, you are having zero knowledge. And when you are coming outside the school, you became number 1 student. So between 0 and 1, 3 more values are there. If you remember these 3 values, 30 values you can remember. If you think just 3 values I am asking you to remember. How many you can remember? 30. Where is 3 and where is 30? So 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2. Just these 3 remember. These 3 values are between 0 and 1. 0 means with 0 knowledge you are coming. And outside when you are going from the school, you became number 1 student. These 3, like a song you learn. 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2. Say 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2. Now, this is the values of sine. How easily to remember. Coming to cos, just reverse. Are you able to follow? Make it reverse. 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Is there any difficult? How easy the table is? See. First line if you remember, automatic the second line. Just reverse. You came and just you came back, that's all. Reverse gear. Next, tan. Tan means sine by cos. You know, tan means what? Sine by cos. Keep by in brain. 0 by 1 means 0. Here you keep by. 2 get cancelled. 1 by root 3. Here you keep by. Root 2 cancel. 1 by 1 means 1. Here you keep by. 2 cancels. Root 3 by 1 means root 3. 1 by 0 means infinity, not defined. That only. Infinity we can call or undefined. Now everybody understood tan. Sine how much easy? Cos reverse and divide sine by cos. What you got tan? The reverse is cot. Infinity. Why? Cos by sine. What is cot? Cos by sine or 1 by tan. Reciprocal. Infinity. Root 3. Root 3. Next. 1. 1 by root 3. 0. 0. Still what are remaining? Cosecant and secant. Cosecant is reciprocal of sine. What? Reciprocal of sine. Reciprocal. 0 means 0 by 1 is there. 1 by 0 means infinity. We can't divide to 0. Reciprocal. 2 by 1 means 2. Reciprocal. Root 2 by 1 means root 2. Reciprocal. 2 by root 3. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. Now reverse. 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2 and infinity. See, with these three values I have completed this table. Are you able to follow? So learn this table. This table is very, very important. Sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. Sequence 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. 0 to 1. The values lies from 0 to 1. 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2. Insert these three values and first line reverse is cos. Tan is, you have to divide sine by cos, you will get the values. And the reverse of tan is cot. Reciprocals of sine are cosecant. And again the reverse of cosecant is secant. Or otherwise you can take again reciprocal of cos. The same comes. This is the way of learning this table. Exercise 20b. First problem. Without using trigonometric tables, find the values of second bit. They told to find sine 45 degrees into cos 30 degrees minus cos 45 degrees into sine 30 degrees. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2 into cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Keep this in a bracket. This is one term minus again cos 45 also 1 by root 2 only, and sine 30 is 1 by 2. You have to learn these values like this by heart. Now 1 root 3 is root 3 by root 2 into 2 is 2 root 2 minus is there means minus, plus is there means plus. 1 ones are 1. 2 into root is 2 root 2. Take LCM. LCM is 2 root 2. Direct root 3 minus 1. This is the way of solving. Now fourth bit. Cos 90 degrees. Cos 90. How much? 0. Plus cos square 45. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2 whole square into sine 30 1 by 2 tan 45 1. Dot indicates multiplication. So if you write 0 plus, not writing also no problem, or otherwise you write no problem. 0 plus 1 square means 1. Root 2 into root 2 is 2 into 1 by 2. If you write into 1 or not writing also no problem. So this is all one term. First term, second term. Now 0, no need to write again. Now 1 ones are 1. Again 1 ones are 1. 2 twos are how much? 4. So what is the value means 1 by 4. After finding that one, we got value as 1 by 4. Now this problem also without using tables. Second problem, second bit. 3 into cos 30 root 3 by 2 whole square. This is one term, first term, plus tan square 60, tan 60 root 3 whole square, that is equal to, now 3 into root 3 is 3, 2 twos are 4, plus root 3 into root 3, 3, that is equal to 3 threes are 9, 9 plus 4 plus 3. Now take LCM. What is LCM? 4 is the LCM. 9 plus 4 threes are 12. Add 21 by 4. Change into mixed. 5 1 by 4. 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 1 21 by 4. This is the way of finding value. Now second problem, third bit. Cos 0 degrees plus sine 45 degrees plus sine 30 degrees into sine 90 degrees minus cos 45 degrees plus cos 60 degrees. Cos 0 1 plus sine 45 1 by root 2 plus Sin 30 1 by 2. This is first, keep in bracket, into sin 90 1 minus cos 45 degrees 1 by root 2 plus cos 60 is half. Now take LCM. 2 root 2 is LCM. 2 root 2 into 1 is 2 root 2 plus is there plus root 2 goes in root 2 2 times. 2 ones are 2 plus 2 goes into root 2 times. 1 root 2 is root 2. That is the way of doing this problem. And here also the same. 2 root 2 is the LCM. 1 2 root 2 is 2 root 2. Here minus is there, minus root 2 goes close that one 2 times. 2 ones are 2 plus is there plus 2 goes into root 2 times. So 1 root 2 is root 2. So that is equal to root 2 plus root 2. 3 root 2 plus 2 by 2 root 2 into, if you keep into, here also the same, 2 root 2 plus root 2 is 3 root 2 minus 2 by 2 root 2. 2 root 2. Now multiply. Numerator is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. That formula. So 3 root 2 whole square minus 2 whole square by 2 root 2 into 2 root 2. Now multiply slowly. 3 3s are 9. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. Keep in a bracket. Minus 2 2s are 4 by. Now all of you see here. 2 into 2 is 4. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. 9 2s are 18. 18 minus 4 by 4 2s are 8. 18 minus 4 is 14. 14 by 8. Here 2 table is common. 2 goes 7 times, 2 goes 4 times. You got 7 by 4. Change into mixed. 1 3 by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 1. 4 plus 3 7.